candle makers, are you still wondering which wax melter is the best for you? Today we are going to unbox the ToAuto 15-liter 30 pounds wax melter. Is this one big boy for you? Let's take a look at it. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. This is a sturdy and big lid, also as clear as a mirror. This is the wickering package with 100 wicks and stickers and 10 century packs for it. This is the menu, which can guide you along the way, side by side. Then we have the spoon, which can be used to stir your wax while melting. Like the ToAuto wax melter family, it is double insulated layer. That means it is very accurate to keep the temperature, and also your finger is never too hot to touch. It's made of stainless steel. It means it is very easy for you to clean. And also, there is the bottom spickled drainage hole here, like all the ToAuto wax melters. So that means you can always have your last drop of wax here. Beside the hole, this is the temperature detector. That means you will have a very accurate temperature control of your wax melter. How big is this 15-liter wax melter? Let's look at its dimension. First of all, let's see the weight here. It's 32 centimeter wide. Then it's 47 centimeter high. And from the ground to the spout, it's 7 meter high. This 15-liter wax melter is with a digital display panel. So we have different buttons here. This is the on and off button, and that is the set one, and it can be used to higher your temperature, and this one to lower your temperature. Let's get started to use this machine. Turn it on, and then we set the temperature. If you want to make the temperature a little bit higher, we just press here. We press set, you are all ready to go. And then if you want to lower the temperature, press set. Now, as the screen shows, it is the 60 Celsius. If you want to switch to F, then we press this set for 5 seconds. You are already changed to the F setting here.